Hi, my name's Isaac. I am the Director of Training here at the Middleby Innovation Kitchen. Today we are going to be replacing a blade on a globe slicer. Okay, in order to remove the blade, first you have to remove several of the components to the slicer. We're going to start by removing the carriage rack here. Loosening this, you don't have to take it all the way out, just loosen it up and it lifts right off. Next we're going to remove the sharpener. There's a same type of deal on the back of the unit here, which you probably can't see. Just unscrew slightly and lifts right off. Now we're going to remove the knife guard, blade guard. Same deal, we've got a knob, except this one needs to come all the way out. There we go. And then this just lifts right off. It will actually only go back in one way because it's slotted right there. Once you have those components removed, only thing left to do is to remove these 3 flathead screws right here, which you obviously want to do very carefully because now the blade is exposed. Once you have all of the mounting screws removed, the blade just comes right out just like that. Being very careful not to touch the actual sharp surface. Okay, we are now ready to reinstall our blade. Again, being careful not to touch the outside of the blade. Always wear protective wear. You just want to line up the holes with the bolt holes right there and get your screws started. I would wait to tighten all of the screws until you have them at least started. Makes it easier to line up that way. As always, being careful not to cross thread and safely grabbing the blade around the outside as you're torquing down the screws. Now that we have the blade back and secured, we can reattach the components. We'll start with the knife cover here. Get our rod put back in. The torque down on the back of this does not need to be extra tight. Start with our carriage rack here. Same with the carriage rack. These are all just plastic knobs, so no need to really torque them down. All right, now we have just replaced the knife on a globe slicer.